सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि यो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
तो इसमें 2 दिन से हवा कम चल रही थी तो समझ नहीं आया क्या मैटर हुआ है। तो लगभग एक एवरेज है, हफ्ते में एक बार किसी न किसी टायर में कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है। ये देखिए इस टायर में से ये निकला है, तो ये पाइप का है, थोड़ा फोकस कर दिया मैंने। ये देखिए पूरा बड़ी मुश्किल से इस टायर से निकाला गया है। अब इस टायर में यहाँ बच्चे आज काफ़ी दिनों बाद स्पोर्ट्स पीरियड स्टार्ट हुआ है बच्चों का। So after a long time they are playing Kho-Kho. So there are 2 teams, girls versus boys, and they have been becoming pro in this particular game also.
For new taxes, the States Journal was a political body to which the resplendent hole in vessels was prepared to host the delegates. The first and second states sent 300 representatives each, who were
Demanding that power should be limited, and they are forming into that we should be there should be a national constituent assembly also, and these people have all the members from these 3 states assembled. States, one is clergy and the nobility. They are the powerful. They have the influence. They have the power. They have the authority. Over on the other hand, the third state people, they were allowed to stand at the back. Clear? So now we'll see how the things have been proceeding.
each state was represented by its more prosperous and educated.
तो आप देखेंगे लोग इकट्ठा हो गए हैं, पीपल फ्रॉम द थर्ड स्टेट 600 मेंबर ही है, लेकिन ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, सबको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, इसमें पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, जो थोड़े गरीब लोग हैं, पढ़े लिखे नहीं, वो इसमें अभी उनको समझ नहीं आता। So they started demanding that powers of the monarch should be limited. So for that purpose, what they did, they assemble at the tennis court. टेनिस कोर्ट में असेंबल हो गए और क्या बात कर रहे हैं, एक नेशनल असेंबली बनाकर वो एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने की बात कर रहे हैं, और बोल रहे हैं जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनेगा ये पूरे फ्रांस के लिए बना रहे हैं। कहाँ के लिए बना रहे हैं? फ्रांस के लिए बना रहे हैं, जहाँ पर राजा की पावर्स क्या होंगी? ओके, सो these are the developments which have been happening in France regarding the king, that they are not satisfied with the policy of the king. So now we'll move forward. Okay, अब आगे बंद करो।
was born in noble family but was fondest of need to obey our society. A general and delivered powerful speeches to the crowds assembled at.
This is the work of history. Students have written the uprising of 1857 and 58, and they have done it so beautifully. Pasted the freedom fighters' photo also in the 1857 struggle. Show me your chart paper. Very good. That's interesting. Okay, very good. Show me your chart paper. Palak, Prachi. Is that you pasted the photos? Or no, photos are not there. Okay. Okay. Rupal, what you have done? Okay. So today we have been doing a chapter, for a second chapter of the history, that is beginning of colonial power. Under that we have been trying to understand that how the colonial power establishes in India. So we have been tracing back to the history. Okay. So Portuguese were the one who first time came to India for the trade. Yes, keep on reading.
The 16th century, the Portuguese